If you're still scheduling your data pipelines with cron jobs and self-concocted run scripts, then stop. This is a solved problem. There's a multitude of battle-tested and easy-to-learn workflow managers out there. Some are cloud native, some are open source. In our upcoming summer school on data engineering, I teach you how to work with Apache Airflow, arguably the most well-known workflow scheduler out there. It's written in Python, and that is one of its strengths, since it makes it easy to get started with it. And yet, we still see it being used poorly. I've been using the tool in many projects at large and small firms, and I sometimes had to debug slow or erratic behavior of the Airflow installation. In the workshop I'm teaching, we focus on building hands-on experience with this incredibly versatile tool, and we show you what to do and what not. I also teach a course on PySpark during that week, which you can combine easily with Airflow to make some serious low-maintenance data engineering pipelines. I hope to see you there.